Hey guys, Noah here. This is a 42-inch Kmart Alaska ceiling fan. See if I have a tag. Well, the tag is kind of just gone, but this would have said Alaska. It's got the Alaska shaped tag, as you can see in there. It has the Alaska style motor. Oops. I'm not on the tripod right now because I got a lot of crap in the way. Lots of fans to test. I just got back from the PA meet. I got this fan at Fanimation actually. I forgot who I got it from, but it's a pretty neat fan. These are really childhood to me. I love Alaskas. And I actually just got a polished brass one, new in box, just like it, from my buddy Jake. This one's labeled Max Air. Anyhow, here's low. It's got the signature Alaska low to high series. Put this floral glow on it because it's pretty cool, I thought. Medium. Whoops. It's a fucking chair. Sorry. Here's high. This fan's extremely quiet, but I think this one might be drifted a tad because this isn't exactly, extremely impressive performance, but it's not bad at all. Anyway. I'll do variable speed. My grandma actually had one of these in her bedroom. And I have one just like the one she had in her bedroom. It's a polished brass one, but it had the decorative brackets instead. So here's solid state. We're about a quarter turn in and it starts. And for the record, when the light is on with this fan, does not make a difference at all. 8th turn. So we're at right now, it's going 8. Number 8. Number 8. High speed. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.